Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick review on these Reese Transom Tie-downs. They're retractable from Reese, so I like them a lot. I've had them on. This is my third season, so they've been doing great. So I had no issues, no problems out of them. They've been holding up really well. So I'll give you a little demo how they work. But yeah, if you're looking to get the transom tie-downs, I highly recommend them. They really save a lot of time. They work great. All right, so this is my 2022 Tracker 175. And I've got them mounted on here. So, all right, so part of my quick review on these, I want to show you how they work. They've been in and out of the water a lot. They're still holding up good. A little bit of wear on the strap, as far as, changing colors in the sun, but other than that, everything's holding up pretty good. I haven't oiled them or put any WD-40 on them or anything like that, so they're holding up pretty good. Pretty simple to use. I've got mine mounted with the bolt there to the frame of the trailer. This particular trailer came with my 2022 Bass Tracker, and the tabs, I had to bend them out just a little bit to get it away from the frame to mount it, but simple enough to do. Large screwdriver, I just gave it a little twist. So but yeah, they're great. I really loved them a lot. They save a lot of time, not messing around with straps, and trying to keep up with them and all that stuff. So as soon as I pull out of the water, I'm able to just grab them, hook it up, give it 1 or 2 pops, tighten it up, and it's good to go. Simple and easy. I like them a lot. So